In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and professional YouTube thumbnail using Canva. First of all, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. After logging in, you will see the Canva homepage. At the top, there is a search bar. Here, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Now you will see many ready-made thumbnail templates. Scroll a little and choose any design that matches your video style. Don't worry, everything in the template can be edited. Click on the template and the editor will open. Now, let's change the image first. On the left side, click on Uploads if you want to upload your own photo, or click on Photos to use free images from Canva. Drag your image and drop it on the thumbnail. Next, click on the text that is already in the design. Type your own title, like your video topic. Make sure your text is short, bold, and easy to read because most people see thumbnails on small screens. From the top toolbar, you can change the font, size, color, and style of the text. If you want, you can also move the text a little up or down to match your subject's face. Now, if you want to add shapes or small icons, click on Elements from the left menu and drag any simple shape or arrow. But remember, do not add too many things. Simple thumbnails usually work better. Once you are happy with your design, go to the top right corner and click on Share. Then click on Download. Choose the file type as PNG for best quality and click Download again. That's it. Your thumbnail is now ready to upload on YouTube.